In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a sale return in Zoho. So we have a transaction of 24th of January where it says return 5 Civic headlights by Mr. Albert at the rate of $210 per unit. That means the customer is returning some of the items back to us. So what we want to do here is just go to the sales module and click on the credit notes. And here just click on create a credit note. Select the customer. Customer is Mr. Albert. Credit note number is automatically given, but if you are following the sequence from the last year, you can just customize it here. Just remember that you need to customize the auto generating number before entering the first credit note. Otherwise, you won't be able to change this, but still you will be able to enter the manual credit numbers. So I'll keep it as it is. Credit note date, 24th of January. 24th of January. Subject, we can just copy this narration, paste it right here. And the item details. Customer has returned 5 Civic headlights. So Civic headlights, let's choose that. 5 at the rate of 210 per unit. Just make sure the totals are correct. And after that, click on save as open. And once the credit note is created, you can check the journal entry effect by just clicking on the three dots and click on view journal. But here it shows you will be able to view the journal as soon as the inventory valuation process has been completed. Please check after some time. So that's not a problem. Let's move to the further step. And let's say that we have created an invoice earlier for this customer. And the amount is, let's say, $5,000. So out of that, the customer has returned us goods of worth $1,000. So we need to adjust that in bill so that they only have to pay $4,000 now. So if you want to apply this credit note to the invoice so that it can automatically be settled and reflected in invoice, we can do that as well. Just click on apply to invoices and it will ask you against which balance do you want to adjust this, against the opening balance or the invoice that is entered during the year. So I want to adjust it against the second one, and the total remaining credits is 1,050. So we want to adjust all of this. Click on save. And now the credit note is shown like this. Total credit amount is this. All the credit is used. So credit remaining is 0 and credit note entry is now shown here. And the account receivable is 1,050 as credit because the customer has returned the items back to us. So the receivable is reduced. Sale is also reduced. So it's debit. Cost of goods sold is credit and inventory asset is debit because the inventory is back in the store. So this entry is exactly the opposite of what we enter in the sales invoice. If we click on the three dots view journal, we will head over to same area. So that's how you can enter the credit note and adjust it against the sales invoice. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.